It was specifically our very first meeting when we sat down because all we wanted to do was we wanted to make a science fiction anthology. When we sat down, we said, okay, what do you want? What kind of stories do you guys want to make? And then they gave me the stories they wanted to make, and then I made the story out of that. So it already came from what they were comfortable with, in terms of the way the story was going to go. And then I learned what their styles were. So I tried to write to their strengths. We didn't have to adjust to the style. The style was taken into account from the start. At least for good space. But for stuff that's like, I don't know, with Butch, do you have to adjust your style to the writer? How much of...
Pag nandun ka sa level where I am, na hindi pa ganun ka, mababa yan, na hindi pa ganun ka sikat or anything, dapat marami ka talagang style, diba? Kasi you can get more work out of that. So, yun. Dapat magaling ka mag-copy ng mga style ng ibang tao kasi that's what they want. Tapos, hindi pwedeng... So personally, I'm interested. Binabasa ng comics for superhero, ganyan. Pero in terms of what people want, they want alternatives. Diba? Hindi ka naman Marvel, ganyan. So they want alternatives to superhero stuff. So the people who are offering jobs, they're looking for yung mga properties nila, usually horror, visual na non-superhero stuff, noir, mga ganyan. So I've done work sa mga field din. And yeah, the more styles you have in your arsenal, the more work you can do.
That's where we kind of disagree. Kasi parang you've had these may horror tsaka superhero style.
Yeah.
But there's also an argument to be said about work na you don't have as wide a range. Hindi ka nagmamanga and then western style and whatever. But whatever style you choose, you're really honing it and fine-tuning it. And you're really doing well with that style. And I know a couple of artists in the room, a few artists who have done that, na yun lang yung look. So that when you get them for a project, you know that you're getting them for that look. And they're not going to change it. In many ways, there's an argument for and against it. Because while you can be a chameleon and early on, and I've tried both. I mean, early on in my work, I've tried to diversify so that I can accommodate lots of different projects. But what I realized pala is that I don't like pala half of the projects that I'm doing. So parang wag na lang. So you get to a point where you choose a style that you're comfortable with. Kasi even if you can do horror, pero you're doing it because you get work, not because you're comfortable in that style or because you like drawing mga halima. Parang wag na lang. Do na lang the work that makes you happy. Kasi at the end of the day, sorry, and we'll get into this in the third panel, it's not like art gets you so much money that, what? It's true. It's not like it'll get you so much money that it's worth working on something that you won't be happy with. Unless you're in advertising, in which case you get lots of money. But otherwise, parang hindi something that's worth doing something half-hearted for. So, if the financial compensation won't offset the lack of happiness, go for happiness. So yun, so there's that. Kamusta kayong mga artists?
I can adapt to any style. Tapos hindi ka pala yung purple. Different style siya, may serious, may realistic, anime, gano'n. Tapos napapansin ko, kadalasan sa sinisend ako sa ng client, hindi nagre-reply. O kaya, nag-email back sila. Pili sila ng particular na style. Tapos yung napansin ko, isa lang yung halos kunyari sa 5, mga 3, yung isang particular na style yung pinipili nila. Ginawa ko, hindi yung doon ako nag-focus. Yung ginamit lang. Tapos, pag nagsasend ako ng email, pag nagre-reply na sila, yung mas madami na yung impact. Tapos parang ano nangyayari? Sila na yung kunyari, magamit natin sa online yung sila na yung mismo yung malapit na. Pwede bang magpalap tayo ng comics? Tapos, yung style mo na ito yung gagamitin natin. Tapos, for ano lang, kaso hindi ko tinatanong kasi siya for exposure. Hindi, okay lang. Pero nung napansin ko nga, nung mas nag-focus ako sa isang style, mas lumalapit siya. Kaya hindi na ako yung nanliligaw. Sila na yung malapit.
Ako kasi, gusto gagawa ko, yung lalabas yung style ko, yung magagawa ko lahat ng gusto. So, kaya ako nag-comics para doon magagawa ko lahat ng gusto. Tapos sa Deja po, hiwalay siya. Doon ako pwedeng mag-adapt, sige, okay. Kaso, ang nangyayari pa rin, kahit na nababayaran ako doon sa Deja po, mas ginagawa pa rin yung comics ko kasi mas mahal ko yun yun eh. Ewan mo.
Invested kasi ako sa project today. Kaya ako kasi mas inline yung ginagawa namin. Yung style niya parang mas inline sa ginagawa ko. So parang hindi ko na napipilit sarili ko na gumawa ng another style. Pero may isa syempre parang mag-anime style. Pero hindi na ako magaling. Pero pinipilit ako.
We have some
Animation kasi siya eh. Animation kasi siya. So, nauna, nag-drawing lang ako ng damit. Kasi hindi ko pa kaya yung mukha. So, eventually, nag-graduate ako sa health. Pero yung malayo, yung shot.
Sa akin naman, puro bang.
Importante na gusto mo yung pinapagawa sa'yo paano bago mo gawin. Kaya yun nga, pag meron mo nagsasabi sa akin na papadraw siya ng story niya, papasahin ko muna. Tapos pag gusto ko, sabi ko, go. Pero pag ayaw mo, hindi mo gano'n. Hindi kasi mas mahirap magsabi na ayoko kaysa sa Facebook, hindi ko, kunyari ba pwedeng scenes. Makikita ko lang sa pop-up, okay, minimize. Hindi makikita yung
Scene zone.
Hindi, joke lang, pero hindi pa nangyari yun, wala pa naman. Lahat na nagsisend sa akin, maganda, actually maganda. So, wala lang tayo, tala.
Meron na ako mga natanggihan. Kasi sa totoo lang, kasi parang ikaw, di ba may job ako, tapos limited din yung oras ko na gumawa ng story. Malaking investment kasi sa'yo pag gagawa ka ng story kasi ilang matagal mo siya gagawin. So, ang hirap naman kung yung story na pinili ka half-heartedly na hindi mo pala gusto. Parang, huwag mo na lang simulan. So, sabihin mo na lang, I read it, ang ganda, pero sorry. Meron akong other engagements.
The writer will also have his own vision in his head where the story is perfect, and he will compare that to your work.